Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today we're going to cover SPX, Microsoft, GameStop, oil, and Jets. Let's start with SPX real quick. As you can see, we did break gap 1, which is finally over with, I guess, because we are using it as support. But as you can see, we did try and test the upper trend and pretty much at 1.5%. the exact thing I called yesterday. So we tested and we bounced back down. So that means we are not quite ready to break this. But seeing how Trump is trying to prop the market, we might be able to break it soon. And the market might transition to this gap 1 as an uptrend. We'll see. Now let's check out Microsoft. So Microsoft is still struggling with this gap 1 level. As you can see, we got the slight rejection and we are still trading below it. Oh wait, this is not a full downtrend measurement. I thought I took a measurement from back then. My bad. Let me fix this real quick. I'll still leave this measurement here, but I thought I had the full measurement. My bad. Very interesting. So this is why we're having a little squint here, because this we're using it as support, but we got rejected by the higher up, which is this one right there. So that explains that behavior right here. So that means we have broken gap 2 on the overall downtrend, but we haven't broke gap 1 on this mini downtrend. So if we break this gap 1, then our last downtrend support line is about 2.5% away. Now let's move on to GME. So GME was using this blue line for a good while as support, but now we have failed. Now we are using this downtrend at a level 2 as support again. And as you can see, we are bouncing back off of it, which is awesome. But now that we have a little bit of a leg down, I can take an uptrend measurement now. Man, that's starting to look like too many lines, but this is the micro uptrend measurement. Let's see how the market behaves with it. Now let's move on to oil. So oil is still pretty much doing its slow crawling to the upside still, and let's see what level we're at. We still haven't encountered the level 4 downtrend yet. That's about 1.5% to the upside. Let's see what happened. Last but not least, let's move on to Jets. So last week I took the measurement of the uptrend of the level 2 and level 3, and I'm glad I did, because as you can see, we end up using the level 2 as a support and then broke it, and now we are struggling with the level 3 uptrend, this purple area right here. Hopefully we'll break it soon. So yeah, if Jets break this, we're gonna face our next resistance probably at around 2%, and if we fail to break any of this, then our next leg down is probably gonna be 5% to the downside, and we'll use this purple trend line as support. So it will be like 5 to 7% to the downside. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.